Okay, so now as you can see, your balance is how can you purchase this? So now go to the view card, apply the coupon if you have. So as you can see, $0.5 saved. Okay, now 0. Sorry, $9.95. Just click on the confirm order, add the address, continue. So now you have to select the register content, administrator, billing content, technical, and also save the configurations above for the default checkout page. Click on the continue button. So now here where you want to pay, as you can see, we have the card detail here. You can also pay from the account fund. Click on the account fund. As you can see, you have the $10 and the amount is $9.95. Save the configurations and click on the continue button. Click on the pay now button. And thank you for the order.